exponent guys, that is 3 times 3 na. So magiging 9, then copy lang natin yung pi. That's correct. Then yung unit niya, let's say centimeter. So magkakaroon ka ng centimeter squared kasi area. Pi squared. Mali. Number 5. So let's say meron tayong given na kaya ito. So let's say meron tayong angles na triangle na meron daw siyang angle, let's say angle 1, angle ba, measure of angle 1 or angle A is equals to 40 degrees and measure ng angle B is 60 degrees. What is the measure of angle C or yung third angle natin? So let's say meron